Yeah. Royal. Dash. T. Sprague Management. LCGs. Low Country Gangsters.
Hit him up, nigga. Sit him up.
At the stove, nigga.
Yeah.
Let's ride.
Jump out, bustin', hitting up your anatomy. Bloodsuckers bugging, nigga, you're a gnat to me. I go to work, still flirt with the bitches.
That's right.
She say I'm fresh to death, then I tell her this casualty. You think you sharper than this Arthur? Take a stab and see. And I'ma tell you, take this L like I'm passing weed. The team who I talk to, success is revenge. So when they make us mad, we get more green like the Hulk do.
You know that.
Relishing ketchup, I'm hot dog with my lyrics. I clock amateurs who don't put enough time in it. Don't know what rhyme skill is. I kill that pussy cat in 60 seconds. 9 lives, well that's 9 minutes. You a pushover, I thought you had some pull. Steal your shine without taking your valuables. Lyrically charging at these clowns, I'm a rapping bull. He spit that weak, cheap shit and we don't value bull. Nah.
It's your boy.
Royal.